Questa volta so io come fargliela pagare. Basta l'arrabbiata. Più arrabbiata di così non ne avrà mai mangiata una.
Does this situation look familiar to you? This is the right pasta that will hit the target. Your husband will go red, just like the color of your anger, but your guests will be amazed by its simplicity and goodness. This is the effect of eating this pasta. But for the moment, the only red one is Mom, flamed with anger. Enough chatter, otherwise we'll miss the most important moment, the execution of the dish. Get a saucepan and heat some water. Add in your tomatoes until the water starts boiling. Just how your blood boils at the mere thought of your husband. I know you want to skin your husband alive, but for now, just peel off the tomato skin slowly, thinking it's him instead. Add the parsley stems. Crush the garlic with all your strength. Yes, the anger is growing inside you now, especially inside my mom. It's time to add our killer ingredient, the spiciest chili peppers on the market. Now this pasta will be really angry. Turn on to low flame. The smell has to come out slowly, like how anger builds up and erupts in a spitting rage. Let it quietly fry for a bit, like the calm before the storm. Now, it's the tomatoes' time to shine. Throw them in with all of your anger, splashing tomato everywhere. I better now give you some advice so your anger does not become fury over a badly made dish. Use only high-quality canned peeled tomatoes, or even better, made by you, like the ones that Mom just did a bit earlier. If you need to, add a pinch of sugar. Anger expressed with a hint of sweetness can knock you out more ferociously than sourness. Now you need to burn inside slowly like your sauce that will stay on the fire for 15 minutes to become dense and with a coarse texture. For this dish, choose the pasta with the best quality, but it has to be penne, no spaghetti. Understood, Asian friends?
And you, subscribe.
Now that the pasta is ready, transfer it to the pan where the sauce simmers. Turn up the heat. If this gets too dry, add a little of cooking water. We don't want this dish to get too dry. Your husband should choke for its spiciness, not for its dryness. Add chopped parsley and toss vigorously. Dad is lucky to have Mom as a wife. Her anger can quickly bubble up, but she's able to forgive just as quickly, especially when simple and tasty dishes like this one are shared with friends around a table. Ready to eat!
E anche oggi è una giornata di sole a Toni.